Today I'll discuss most popular method to solve nonlinear equation. That method is called Newton-Raphson method. The Newton-Raphson method is an iterative numerical technique used to find approximate root of a given equation. Now here is the algorithm. So for this method, method formula is this. I'm not going to I'm not going to the derivation how this formula actually coming. Okay, so just I'm request you, please remember this formula. So xn plus 1, n is the number of iteration, is equal to xn f of xn f dash xn. So this is the formula for inner method. Now how to solve how to get root of the equation of a nonlinear equation. So first choose an initial guess x0 close to the root and then update the guess using the formula, and then repeat the step 2 until the desired accuracy level is achieved. Now I'll show you how to implement this formula. Now here I am taking again the nonlinear equation fx is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now here starting guess is x0. Now then we are using the formula Newton-Raphson method. Xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn f dash xn. Now here I am calculating the root. So here that xn, so n is actually 0, so x0 is 2, and then f of x0, so the f of at point 2, so that is minus 1, f dash xn, so obviously we have to do the derivative of function, so that is 3x square n minus 2. Now if we plug that x0 value, that is 2, we'll get f dash x is equal to 10. Now we can calculate that xn plus 1, so n is 0, so x1 can be calculated plugging all these value x0, fx0 and f dash x0. So if I plug this value, so x1 will be 2.1. Now what will be the function value at 2.1? So if we plug that, okay, that function value will be give 0.061. so that is not a desired value and it is not a close to 0, so we have to go next iteration. So next iteration, so now n is equal to 1, so xn is equal to 2.1, we got the from previous iteration, and at x 2.1 what will be the function value? So that is 0.061. now what will be the f dash value at 2.1? so that is if we plug this, so that is 3x squared n minus 2, we plug this, so we'll get f dash 2.1 is 11.23. now from here we can calculate the root x2. x2 will be x1 minus f of x1 and f dash x1. so if we plug this value, so x2 will be 2.0964. now if I, and x2 is equal to 2.0946, what will be the function value? Function value will be 1.854 e to the power minus 4, so that is very close to 0. now here, so what will be the approximate root? Approximate root is 2.946, so at x is equal to 2.0946 is the root of one of the root of the equation this x cube minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. That's it for Newton-Raphson method.